The next example, as I said, is also from India, and this one's built around sanitation, and we are talking about a company called Banka BioLoo. Namita Banka, a former jeweler and a budding social interpreter, decided in 2008 to take on the challenge of sanitation in India. That's no small feat, I suspect. After a short stint with a toilet company, to better understand the industry, she came up with the idea that will help revolutionize sanitation in her country. Today, her and her husband and business partner will present on our behalf. Is the husband here? Yeah. All right. Please.
Thank you. Hello. So Namita is on her way to France next month, and her passport is with the France consulate, and I'm here. I have a 2024 visa. Thank you.
Visas.
So the statistics are scary as far as sanitation is concerned. Still not? Yeah. I would not like to talk about the billion numbers in terms of access to sanitation or open defecation. India represents almost 60% of the, India represents nearly 60% of the population of open defecation in the world, and it's a scary scenario. Added to that, the recent MDG assessment by WHO and UNICEF that has put burden of sanitation more. So 91% of the global population has access to clean water, whereas it's only 68% which has access to sanitation. So the added burden is all the more on sanitation. So that's the solution of not having lack of access to sanitation. The BioLoo, which comprises a toilet cabin, a multi-chambered metrized biotank which holds the bacteria, and it treats human waste at source. It's an unsewered, non-networked, decentralized treatment facility. Right? And here are the details. So you have a modular structure, a knockdown unit kind of. We take it and assemble at the site. Everything happens within a day. And Namita has designed it, so it's a patent pending technology. The biotank or the bacterial culture, it has been patented by the Indian Defense. It had primarily come up for the soldiers across the borders where the treatment facility was not there. So they had invented it for the Indian soldiers, and we are proud to associate with it to take it to the civilian population. It's an anaerobic digestion process, completely sealed tank, and the bacteria that treats the human waste, and we'll see the process. So as the human waste, the fecal matter passes through the different chambers, it treats the human waste. So quickly, huge impact, varying settlements, schools, households, military, refugees. In schools, we partner a lot with the companies under their CSR programs and provide sanitation systems. In the trains, that's one of the good solutions. Not many of you may know, but the Indian trains have open chute system wherein the fecal matter drops on the tracks. And this is a unique scenario wherein the non-user benefits a lot. So there are a lot of low-income families that stay close to the tracks, and they benefit a lot by the system compared to the passenger himself or herself. The technology has great utility and vitality across the world, and we are keen to take it abroad. It's a very simple solution using a bacterial culture that would treat the human waste at source. So we have done some mathematics, and to install around 1 million BioLoos across 5 years, $20 million is the investment. Right, thank you. This is a school.
Thank you very much. Back to you, Megan.
Terrific.
Thank you.
Okay.